Let's turn Nutter Butter cookies into spooky Halloween mummies with just a few easy steps. Start by dipping Nutter Butter cookies in melted Merckens White Chocolate. Place on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, and add Icing Eyes while the chocolate is still wet. I always love when the Icing Eyes point in different directions. They look extra silly. Place in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes until the chocolate is set up. Now let's add that mummy wrap. Using a pastry bag, drizzle melted white chocolate, but don't worry about being a perfectionist. Get a little wild and make the mummy wraps go in different directions. I'm always amazed at how a little chocolate drizzle and some Icing Eyes can give a cookie so much personality. Last but not least, place in the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes or until the chocolate has completely set up. And that's it. Super easy. You can get all the supplies you need for this project at confectionaryhouse.com.